Actress and filmmaker Mabatso Motso has taken to social media to congratulate her husband, Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, on his latest career move as a radio host at Power FM. Ndlozi, a former Economic Freedom Fighters Member of Parliament, recently announced his departure from the party and will now host the Power Talk Show starting March 3. Sharing her excitement on X, Mabatso wrote, "Now we are talking. Congratulations, Mateta." Speaking on Power FM, Ndlozi expressed enthusiasm about his new venture, emphasizing the dynamic nature of radio as a platform for engagement, and said radio, more than any other medium, amplifies the listener's voice and creates real-time interaction. "I look forward to that exchange, but also to spotlighting intellectual resources that can improve people's lives, whether in community development, business, education, the arts, or political policymaking." His transition to radio follows his decision to step away from party politics. In January, the EFF confirmed Ndlozi's resignation from Parliament. Later, he clarified his decision to leave the party, stating that his future contributions lie outside formal party structures, and said, "I've taken a decision to step away from party politics. I have left the Economic Freedom Fighters. I have handed in my resignation because where I want to go and contribute. I can't hold a single party membership." Ndlozi has shifted his focus to civil society, a space he believes is crucial for fostering meaningful change, and said, "I'm passionate about elevating discourse in the country. The civil society space has been neglected for years, yet it's where true liberation's work happens, through community development, research, and advocacy. It's time someone did for the people of this country what AfriForum is doing for Afrikaners." While Mabatso and Ndlozi have maintained privacy around their relationship since 2017, they have never shied away from celebrating each other's achievements. Following Motso's congratulatory post, many social media users joined in applauding Ndlozi's new endeavor. His upcoming role at Power FM marks a new chapter in his career, one focused on public engagement, intellectual discourse, and community upliftment. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.